The workflow window is designed to help you track cases around the lab to make sure that you don't leave any cases behind. For here, you'll actually see we clicked on the due to invoice. So what this is showing us is all the cases which are due to be invoiced today or the ones which are past due. So we'll start at the top. You see the ones in red. So red is a red flag, a warning that this is running late. It needed to be shipped out a few days ago. So this instantly gives you a red flag that you need to do something about this because this case is sitting in the lab and your doctor does not have the case and the patient appointment was also on the 18th of September. But coming down even further, you'll see the green cases. So these are all due to go out today. So these are on time. And from here, you can simply click on the case number, go through to the case and invoice it if you like, or update the dates. Additionally, you can also track cases in different departments. So knowing that a case is due to be invoiced yesterday is not very helpful for the front office. So knowing where a case is around the lab if it's running late early can help you guys make sure that you don't have any issues on this page. So if we come through here and I click on my CAD/CAM department, specifically this one here, you can see that I have 4 cases running late in the milling department. So this instantly we know that a case is running behind schedule halfway through the production, which gives the production manager a chance to chase up these cases to ensure that your doctor gets the cases on time. And you can see you continue to do this through each department, ceramics, moving down, you go to model here, you see I've got all these cases running late from the very start, which is much better to know than the very end. Additionally, you can filter this report by an additional up to 7 days, which will tell you all the different cases which are coming through, so you can check what is going out this week. And then lastly, you can also check on what's due to arrive. So if you are using the pre-book function or if you're using the online doctor's gateway, if a case is due to be arriving in your lab today, it will show up in this list here. So overall, the workflow window is designed to help you track where a case is and to make sure it's not running behind schedule and to give you visibility on that.